Good day, ma'am. I am Delika Nutrition Nicole A from BS Cream 36. Now, I will be reciting the Philippine Scale of Penalty or Duration of Penalties. That suspended by Republic Act 9346. Reclusion perpetua, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Prison mayor, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Correctional penalties. Prison correctional, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Destierro or suspension, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Arresto mayor, 30 days and 1 day to 6 months. Light penalties. Arresto menor, 1 day to 30 days. Public censure or banned to keep the peace. Duty of the court to lay down. And that's all. Thank you.